Hello friends, take a piece of paper and fold it into two equal halves. Press well. Now turn it and fold into a triangle and mark the center. Then from the other side, now we have a cross on the paper. Now fold the upper edge to the cross and then fold it again into a triangular shape. Then from the other side, the same step. Fold it, pressing well. Alright, cut it according to the fold. Done. Now open it. Now we have a pentone type shape. Press the corners and now fold it into a curve and repeat this step from all the sides. Pressing well. Done. Alright, fold the top to the bottom as shown. Then from the other side, now fold the tip to the bottom as shown and then again to the top. Open it. Now we have many creases on our paper. Press all the boundaries well to permanent your marks. Then the second layer from all sides. Now the third one. And it's done. Now fold the petals. Alright. Now try to fold it. Pressing it inwards. Make a sharp type structure in the center. And done. Press to have permanent shapes. Now open it as shown. Press it from the corner, then from the second side. Then from the third side, and so on from the others. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Press well. Now turn it back and fold the extra folds inwards and the Christmas star is done.